Everyone, so today we will see some trick to count the number of squares. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, then just click on the bell icon below so that you will get notification regarding our latest videos. So we will start with counting the squares. So they will give you like this one figure, and they will ask you to calculate count number of squares in this figure. Okay, so I'm going to tell you some shortcut trick how to calculate this number of square within just 8 to 10 seconds. So first type 1, what is this type 1 means? In type 1 you can see here number of rows are not equal to number of columns. Here how many rows are there? 1. I'll write here, this is first row, this is second row, this is third row, this is fourth row. And how many columns we have? This is first column, this is second column, and this is third column. Okay, so you can see here number of rows are 4 and number of columns are 3. Number of rows are not equal to number of columns. So in this case, what you have to do, how many rows are there? We have seen number of rows are 4. And how many columns we have? So number of columns equal to 3. Okay, so what we will do? Rows are 4, columns are 3. So 4 into 3. Then you just decrease one number. So here we have written already 4. So we will write 3 into. Already 3 we have written. So 3 into 2. Then it is 3. So we will write 2 into. It is 2. We will write 1. Okay. After that it is 2. So we will write 1 here. It is 1. So we will write 0. So till we are getting 0, we have to proceed in this manner. Now simply we will add it. What is 4 into 12? 4 into 12 we got 12. 4 into 3 is 12. 3 into 2 are 6. 2 into 1 is 2. 1 into 0 is 0. And now simply you just add it. 12 plus 6, 18. 18 plus 2, 20. So number of squares for this figure is 20. Simple. So same trick we are gonna apply here once again. So in this figure, how many rows are there? First row, second row, third, fourth, fifth. And how many columns we have? This is first column, second column, third column, fourth column. So number of rows are 5, number of columns are 4. So number of rows is not equal to number of columns. So how will write? How many rows? We have 5 rows, so we'll write 5 over here. And how many columns? We have 4 columns, so we'll write 4 over here. Now simply you decrease by 1. So 5 into 4. Well, if 1 will subtract means it will be 4 into 4 minus 1, it is 3. Then here it is 4, so we'll write 3 into 2. So here it is 3, so we'll write 2 into 1. Here it is 2, so we'll write 1 into 0. Now if we will simply calculate this, 5 into 4 is 20, 4 into 3 is 12, 3 into 2 is 6, 2 into 1 is 2, 1 into 0. So now if we'll add all these things, 20 plus 12, 32, 32 plus 6, 38, 38 plus 2, 40. So your answer will be 40. So in this figure, total 40 number of squares are there. Clear? Now the second type. So in second type figure, here how many rows are there? First row, second row, third row, fourth row. And how many columns we have? This is first column, second column, third column, fourth column. So you can see here number of rows are equal to 4 and number of columns are equal to also 4. When number of rows equal to number of column. Here also we can apply the same trick that we have done in type 1. So how many rows are there? 4 rows. How many columns we have? 4 columns. Okay. Now simply you decrease it by 1. So 4 usually subtract 1 means it will be 3 into 3. It will then 2 into 2, then 1 into 1. after that it will come 0 into 0. So 0 we will not consider. So 4 into 4 are 16. 3 into 3, 9. 2 into 2, 4. 1 into 1. Now if we will add all these things, 16 plus 9, 25. 25 plus 4, 29. 29 plus 1, 30. So here the number of squares are 30. Okay. So either you can do like this manner or you can do like this. So you are doing what we are doing, 4 into 4. So nothing but 4 square, 3 into 3, 3 square, 2 into 2, 2 square, 1 into 1, 1 square. Okay. What is the meaning of this? So how many rows are there? 4 rows. How many columns we have? 4 columns. Okay. So the value we are getting is 4. So 4 square is 16, 3 square, 9, 2 square, 4, 1 square, 1. Add all these things and you will get the answer. Okay. Any of the trick you can use. But if it is a square, perfect square means if number of rows are equal to number of column, then either of this trick you can apply. But if number of rows are not equal to number of column, then only this trick you have to apply to calculate the number of squares. So now we are going to complicate our figure a little bit. Suppose let's consider this figure first. So here how many squares are there? Okay, so same trick we will apply. How many rows? This is first row, this is second row. And how many column we have? This is first column and this is second column. Okay, so number of row equal to 2, number of columns are also 2. So first we can write number of rows 2 into number of columns also 2. Then we will subtract 1. 1 into 1. So what is 2 into 2? 4. What is 1 into 1? 1. So how many total squares are there? 4 plus 1? 5. This means in this figure, total 5 squares are there. How 5 square? This is first square, this is second square, third square, fourth square. This total is one more square. So total will be 5. So what we conclude, if one square is there, and in between that square, if that plus symbol is there, then how many total squares we will get? We will get total 5 number of square. This same concept we are going to implement for this complex figure and we will get the answer. Okay, I will tell you how. Just you have to keep in your mind that if one square is there and inside that square, if one plus symbol is there, then total number of square in that figure will be 5. Just this thing you have to remember. Now this thing we are going to implement over this figure. So like this one complex figure is there and they will ask you how many number of squares are there in this figure. So first we will see, you see this big square, this one. In this big square, this is one big square and in this big square here one plus symbol is there. What I told, if one square is there and plus symbol is there, then total how many squares it will contain? It will contain 5 squares. So here in this big figure, it is a perfect square and it will contain one plus symbol. So for this one, we will get a 5. Total 5 squares we will get. Now come to the second square here. So this is also a square, you can see, and this will also contain a plus symbol. From here to here and from here to here, one plus symbol it will also contain. So for this second square also, we will get another 5 squares. Now come to the third one. Okay, here. So this is also a square and it will also contain a plus sign. So this one will also contain 5 square. So total how many square it will contain? 5 plus 5 plus 5. Total it will contain 15 squares. Clear? Again, now a little bit more complex we will do. Come to this figure. Okay. So here we can see, let's consider the big figure, this one. So this is a square. Is it contain one plus symbol? So you can see this is one plus symbol. Again, this is one more plus symbol. Again, this is one more plus symbol. So this concept we cannot apply directly for this big figure. So for this big figure, for this big square, what we can do? How many rows are there? This is first row. This is second row. This is third row. This is fourth row. And how many columns we have for the big figure? First column, second column, third column, and fourth column. Okay. 4 rows we have and 4 columns we have. So, so since total 4 row and 4 columns means it is type 2. So I can write 4 square, 3 square, 2 square, 1 square. 4 squares are 16, 3 squares are 9, 2 squares are 4, 1 square is 1. Total how much? 16 plus 9, 25, 25 plus 5, 30. So 30 squares are there in this big figure. Again, inside this big figure, you can see the small figures are there. Okay. So now, if I will consider this square here, this one, so this is a square, and it will contain one plus symbol also. And what I told, if one square is there, inside the square, if plus symbol is there, the total number of squares will be 5. So if we'll consider this one, this is one square. Inside this, one plus symbol is there. So total here, how many squares are there? 5. Again, come to this one. This is also a square. It will contain a plus symbol. So again here, 5 squares will be there. Again, if we will come to this one, this is also a square, plus symbol. So again 5. And here, this is also a square, and here it will contain a plus symbol. So again 5. Okay. So for the big square, how many we got? 30. And how many small squares are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 small square are there. So if you add all these things, 30 plus 5, 35, plus 5, 40, plus 5, 45, plus 5, 50. So your answer for this one will be 50. Similarly, one more type of question they are asking in railway and SSC exams. You can see for this figure. Okay. Here we can see, here one square is there. Inside that square, this plus symbol is there. So what I told you, if one square is there and inside that square, one plus symbol is there. So total number of square will be 5. Along with that, inside this, you can see one more square is there like this manner. Okay. So for this square, we can add plus 1. So total, how much we got? 6. Okay. So this thing you keep in your mind. If like this figure is there, one square is there, inside there plus symbol and one more square, then total number of square will be 6. Now this thing we are going to implement for this figure, and we will see how many squares are there in this complex figure. Very easily we can do it. So just you have to keep in your mind that if this kind of symbol is there, one square, inside this plus symbol and one more square, then total number of square will be 6. Okay, so we are gonna implement this thing over for this figure. You see, this big square is there. Inside the big square, one plus symbol is there, and one square is there. So for this big square, how much square we can write? 6. Okay. So now come to this one, the second square. So here this is one square. Here one plus symbol is there, and one more square is there. Okay. So for this square, how much we can write? Once again, 6. Are you getting my point or not? We are considering this square. Inside this square, we are having one plus sign, and we are having one more square like this. Okay, so for this we got 6. Now come to the third square, this one. Okay, so here what is there? Only one square is there, and plus symbol is only there. So type 3. If only square is there and inside the square only one plus symbol is there. So how many squares we have? 5. Just now type 3 we have discussed. Okay, so if we'll add all these things, 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 5, 17. Okay, so this is there are total 17 squares are there in this complex figure. Okay, so like this manner, by remembering this small trick, you can be able to implement this on the large or complex figure, and you can be able to get the answer. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, then once again you click on the bell icon below, so that you will get whatever the new videos, new notifications we are uploading in your site. Have a nice day.